In this video, I'll show you how to insert a link in the Rich Text module in Hubspot so your text can direct visitors to other pages or resources. First, open your page in the editor and click on the Rich Text module. You can do this by clicking the plus icon, searching for rich text, and adding it to your page. Once your Rich Text module is ready, click on it and highlight the text you want to turn into a link. For example, let's highlight the word form. Then, find the link icon in the toolbar. If you don't see it, click More, Insert, Link. Next, insert your URL. For this example, we'll use a placeholder link, and you can choose whether it opens in a new window. Click Insert, and you'll see the highlighted text turn blue with an underline, indicating the link has been added successfully. That's it. Your Rich Text module now contains a clickable link. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.